Smash the subscribe and bell buttons not to miss any videos. Hey guys, this is Rahul, and in this video we will learn how to install Python on your devices. Don't worry about installation if you are using macOS or Linux. You can just install an IDE like Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. I will leave those links in the description, and you can run program in your terminal itself. But if you are using Windows PC, then you need to install Python. I will show you a simple way to install Python on your PC. But if you're not affordable to get a Windows PC, you can also code on your Android phone or tablet. And now I will show you how to install Python on your Android device.